definition that we're going to start off with is this quadrilateral is a quadrilateral with two pair of parallel sides. That is our definition of what a parallelogram is. So quadrilateral, again, has four sides to it. So if we have two pairs of parallel sides, then we have enough for a parallelogram. And the drawings will always give you, they'll either tell you it's a parallelogram or they'll give you the diagram here. So what do these little red triangles mean again? It means parallel, right? Exactly. So notice that the top segment and the bottom segment are parallel to each other. And then how do we distinguish the left and the right from the top? Well, they just add another arrow to it. Pretty ingenious, right? So this diagram tells me that, whoa, I just lost my line. This diagram tells me that the top and the bottom are parallel, and the right and the left are parallel. Those are my two pairs of parallel sides, and that is my definition for a parallelogram. What do you guys think? Easy, medium, or hard? Easy? Pretty easy, right? Okay, can I show you something that I made? Is that cool? All right, check this out right here. I made this on GeoGebra. This is a little applet that I'm putting on the website. What does this look like to you? Tell me what it looks like. Looks like a quadrilateral. Good. What else? You think it's a parallelogram? Why do you think it's a parallelogram? It looks like it, right? All right. So it turns out there's four things that happen when you have a quadrilateral that's a parallelogram. There's four things that happen. And this drawing, I want you to see if you can think of any of them. So what I'm going to do is here, does anybody see one off the bat? Say again right here. Yeah, the 2.55. He's saying that this side and that side are the same. They're congruent. So do you guys think that's true? No matter how I move this thing around? Are they still the same? They're still the same, okay? That's one thing that happens to be true. Opposite sides are the same, like you said. Okay, what else do you see? Are those adjacent angles? How do we describe those? No. How do you describe them to each other? Are they adjacent? Starts with a D. Yeah, they're diagonal angles, right? So notice that no matter how I move this around, those angles stay the same. You guys agree with that?
Does that mean B and C are the same too?
Yes, it would mean B and C are the same. Nice job. Very good. So we've learned two things. We learned that opposite sides are the same and opposite angles are the same. No, I said there's four. Can you guys think of the other ones? Think of anything else? Take a look at D down here and take a look at C. What's the measure of angle D? What's the measure of angle C? I wonder. Oh, Allie, hit it right in the head. What is it? What does that mean, they're supplementary angles? That means they add up to 180. Is that true? I don't believe you at all. What are you saying? So you mean to tell me that 82.7 plus 97.3 has to be 180?
Yeah.
Oh my God. You are so right. Oh snap. Very good. Okay, so no matter what we do, right, no matter what angle we choose, those two will always be supplementary. Okay, there's the third thing. Ah, man, there's a fourth one, but it's hidden inside. I don't know if you're going to see it.
The area inside.
What about the area inside? Whoa.
Blue.
Trippy. It's blue. Okay, yeah, so the last thing we're going to need some help with, all right? All right, so here's what we're going to do. The second box is about the product. Okay. Wow. I meant AD. Thank you. That's my final answer. Yes, thank you. I'm glad you asked. Yeah, that's the right one. All right, here we go. Okay, Paige, you're up. Can you figure out what AC has to be and tell me why you think it is? So I'm looking for this. Oh my gosh. Sorry about that. I'm looking for this one. All right, Paige, what do you think? How could you figure out what that is?
Is it 6?
It is 6. Why? Can you tell me why, though?
Because that first one is 3. And then if you put another 3 there and you add it up together, it's 6.
Yeah, so this has to be 6 because she said that first one is 3. So what makes this next one 3, Paige? What makes this next one this 3 also? Yeah, what's that called again? Is there a theorem that says that says you're allowed to do it? Did we just write it down? 6.5. Very good. Okay, awesome. Yes, so that would be 6. Okay, good. Very good. Okay, let's ask Martin, amigo. What is AD? Wait, what'd you say? 10? Why do you say 10? Hold on, time out. How much is this one up here? Yeah, that's 5, right? And do you think that AD and BC are the same, or do you think they're different in length? They have to be the same, right? Because theorem, which one says so?
First one.
Yeah, the first one, 6.2, says that they have to be the same. So, Martin, what do you think AD has to be then? Is it 10? Is it bigger? Is it twice as much? Yeah. All right, I have a parallelogram. I know that because of these arrows that are in place. It tells me that the top and the bottom are parallel, the left and the right are parallel. It's asking for me to solve for x. So that means that I need to figure out what this is and then figure out how to use those two things added together. All right? Now, because it's a parallelogram, I can use theorem 6.5 that says that 3x plus 120 degrees has to be equal to, let me ask Daniel Guzman. Oh, sorry, I meant 6.4. Yeah, 6.4, yeah. Daniel, where are you at? Yeah, what do you think? So these two are complementary angles. I mean, consecutive angles. So they add to what? I'm not having a bad. Yeah, 180, you got it, dude. Yeah, we all got there. Okay, how do I get myself out of the algebra for this? Who can solve? Subtract 120, you guys got it. So therefore, 3x has to be 60 degrees, right? We're going to divide by 3. We're going to cancel out our 3's here to get a value of x has to be 20 degrees. There you go. So if x is 20, if I plug this back in, whoa, that means that this angle has to be 60 degrees. That means that this angle has to also be 60 degrees because they're opposite angles and we know they're equal. And that means that this one has to be 120. Hey, and if you add all 4 angles up, what should you get? Yeah, 360. There you go, you guys. Nice job.